As I said, we're a payment processing service. We're there to help businesses accept payments online. We're trying to make it really easy. Back in the days, it was really hard to kind of get going accepting money for whatever you did online, services, product, if you're in retail, otherwise. So what we do is offer a turnkey online payment processing solution. We do this across 7 different payment methods. We're integrated into 80 different platforms. We really aim to be a one-stop shop where you can come there, sign up, and be up and running within a matter of hours or days. So we partnered with the Standard Bank SME Summit because we're really passionate about entrepreneurs. We're passionate about small businesses. It's what we built the payments business on, and we really want to try and help businesses be successful in the modern age and solve some of the challenges and pain points that they might have. And this is a great place to meet those entrepreneurs and people who are interested in discussing these problems with like-minded individuals. So we want to be where our clients are, and we want to be there face-to-face with them and trying to help them. I think the ongoing advance of technology, one of the trends that sort of dominates 2020, automation in across the board, right, in your tools that you use to run your business, in how you think about kind of the world going forward. I do think that we're in quite a tough time in South Africa, also globally to some degree, and people are going to be looking for opportunities to either make themselves more efficient or increase their businesses. Something we've seen being in quite dominant in the retail space is that physical retail is either not growing or going backwards, whereas e-commerce is actually still doing pretty well. So I think that there's going to be a continued shift into the e-commerce world as people try and seek new revenue opportunities. But I think we're also getting quite interesting about how people are attacking some of the problems these days. Marketplaces have become a thing which they weren't as prevalent many years ago. So things like our Smit payment supports that kind of operation. And that's an interesting way of thinking about things. So it changes the way things were done historically, where you had to do a lot of the admin yourself. Now you can kind of partner with companies and platforms that can automate a lot of that work for you. In terms of opportunities, I think there is always opportunity. And where there is change, where there are things happening, where there is either an uptick in the market or a downtick in the market, there is always opportunity. How someone goes about grabbing that opportunity, who knows? It depends on the sector, it depends on the market, it depends on their business, right? We're there to support our clients in whatever they want to do, right? And whether that is accepting money online, whether it's doing it in an app, whether it's doing it in, potentially in the future even in store, there are many different ways that we can assist our clients, because at the end of the day, we're working in a capitalist society. Money has to flow, and we want to be able to help our clients wherever they need to see that flow happen. So platforms like the SME Summit empower small businesses by being able to connect with people who might be encountering the same challenges that they're encountering. Business ownership is hard. It can be a very lonely journey, and it is something where it's good to know that there are other people who are in the same position as you are. We've, as business owners, I've been there, many others who've started companies have been there, and it's good to know you're not alone. It's good to understand from other people and share experiences. It's good to meet with people who are able to help. The challenges small businesses face are quite similar in terms of access to funding, the technology tools that you use to drive your business, HR challenges, right? There are a lot of fairly common problems that small businesses face, and platforms like this enable companies to engage with the entrepreneurs who are facing those challenges, and for them to engage with each other to try and collectively solve the problems together.